Everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, July 25th. Oh, that means it's only, 5 months till Christmas? Yeah, looking forward to some cool weather. It is so hot here. I know that a lot of the country is really hot, so hope you guys are keeping cool. And hope you had a great week. So I have not too much to share with you this week, but some good stuff, I think. And let's get started. I went to Ollie's. I went to the two Ollies by me. One of them had nothing. The other one had some stuff, which was good. Thank you to Tina's Craft Creations. She's very encouraging about going, back and finding more things. She keeps going and checking and finding new things. Check out Tina's channel for her hauls because she's found some great stuff at Ollie's. I will leave her channel down below. I'm sure you know her anyway, but just for convenience sake, I'll leave her channel link. So anyway, I did get these at Ollie's, and these are single papers, and I didn't mean to get this many of them. Oh my God, I got 6 of them. And the cashier, I was just looking at my receipt, charged me for 3 of them, I think. And these were 25 cents each there. If I had known that I got this many or they charged me for not as many, I would have mentioned it, but I didn't. So they're by Recollections. It's foil paper, 12 by 12. It's very pretty. And I think I saw Tina pick this up. So it's, kind of Valentine theme, but you can use these any time of year. Some of them, I mean, not 14, but I love you with all my heart, that kind of thing. Ooh, that is some glaring foil, but they're really pretty, and for 25 cents each, especially since I only paid for 3 of them, so 75 cents for 6 of these. Yeah, pretty good deal there. So I got those. I didn't get that much there, and what I did get wasn't like crazy good deals. This was a good deal. This is a thing of A2 envelopes, and it's also from Recollections, 20 pieces, and this was $1. And then these were $1 each. I wasn't sure how much they cost. I didn't really see a price on them, but I should not have paid $1 for this. I saw Tina, Crafty Bean. Hi, Tina. Hi, both Tinas, if you're watching. She had gotten like this beautiful pack of, I think it was twine, like a whole big pack for $1. And I got these little individual ones for $1. But I thought they were very cute. I got this pink one. They're American Crafts, and they are, let's see. How much is in here? Does it say? Yes, 5 yards. And then this color here, this aqua one. And I like these because they look really nice and fine, like really thin. So sometimes you need thinner twine than others. So I picked those up. And then I thought they'd be cute like little gifts too. And then I got this big thing of ribbon, also American Crafts. And it was, let's see, it came out 2010. Does it say how much is in there? I don't see that, but it's like a purple gingham, so I thought that was fun. And I think that was it. That's all I got from Ollie's. There were a few paper pads I wasn't interested in. Some other things I just wasn't going to buy just because it was cheap. I have to be able to use it. But yeah, so that's all I got so far. I will keep going back. Thanks for the encouragement, Tina. I'm not giving up. All right. I went to Homegoods this week, like every week. And I saw these and I thought they were so pretty. These are a pack of 28 gift bows and 4 rolls of ribbon by Hello Happy. Look at those colors. We'll take them out in a second. I just wanted to show you the packaging. So that's the spools of ribbon. It was $5.99, again at Homegoods, and I did cut it open before we started. I like to use bows like this, mostly, at Christmas time when I'm doing my packages up. And look at just like, it's kind of like it's sort of holographic. I don't know if you could tell that, but they're really beautiful colors. I think you could tell more on the white one. Let's see that. It's like a creamy white. See isn't that pretty? It's got like that pink shift to it. This reminds me of that Cricut holographic neon paper, although it's not as neon as that, but it's got that same like glow to it. And these are really, really nice, well-made bows. So there's the cream, the pink, the green, and blue. So I guess there's probably 7 of each, I would assume. And then the ribbon, I don't really use curling ribbon that often. Sorry, that's making a lot of noise. Here, let's take this out quickly. So this is the ribbon. Okay, so it's on one big long spool, and it's got some, it's not hair, that's like hot glue trails. But this is kind of like holographic too, if you could see, or iridescent. Probably iridescent, right? I think holographic has like the little like faceting in it. I don't know, I'm still trying to learn that distinction, but you could see what I'm talking about with like the blue shift to it. So this will be really pretty to like, you know, make the curly ribbon underneath this on some packaging. So this will inspire me to pick up some more pastel wrapping paper this year, and I will be all set with my bows and ribbon. And what I say that was $5.99. Good to get it now before the holidays. So that was all I got from Homegoods. And the last thing I want to show you, I got my Pusheen summer box. So I figured I'd show that last in case you're not interested in that. You know, you can tune out. I will not be offended at all. But if you just want to see like some cute stuff I got, and you know, please stay and we could chit chat too. So let me get out the box. And this theme is like a chocolate kind of theme, I think, and macarons. So the box is, it's Pusheen in like a chocolate color. So it's fun. It's very cute. And this is everything it came with. I already took it out and looked at it, but I put it back in the box. It was presented really nicely. So it usually comes with a piece of clothing. So here is this, it's a sweatshirt that says macarons on it. And hold on one second. Okay, and that's the picture. So it's got Pusheen in like a cake dome or cloche with some macarons, strawberry ones, chocolate ones, and it says sweet moments. And the color, it's like a cream color sweatshirt. And this one, it's a small, which I usually get in tops. It looks a tiny bit cropped, not really cropped, but not as like long as some of their other clothes that I've gotten. I'm sure it'll be fine, but it's not like super long or anything. But it's really good quality, and I haven't tried it on, but I think it'll be fine. So super cute. I love that. And then, well, I'll show you this one. It always comes with the vinyl figure, and this is the Pusheen chocolate vinyl figure, and he's holding a little cake. Let's take this out. Not he, she. Pusheen is a girl. Hang on one sec. Okay, so I took it out of the box, and here's the little vinyl figure. So it'll go on the top of my cabinet where I have all my Pusheen things displayed. So cute. I love these things. Adorable. And like I've said before, these boxes are really, really worth it, because if you get the plan, you know, the yearly plan, whatever, it's like $45 shipped, and all this stuff is worth way more than that. It came with this cute wristlet. Isn't this adorable? And it says, it's got a tag on it, and it tells you, you know, it's a wristlet. So this is the cute little graphic on the front. The back has a zipper on it. And then on the inside, it's got like pockets and stuff in it. So you can definitely use it as a wristlet. So you can put your credit cards in there and money and stuff. I don't really use wristlets that much, but sometimes the purse that I'll use does not have a lot of pockets on the inside. So I'll put something like this inside my purse to keep things organized. So I'll probably use that for that. And then this is a bandana. It's a satin bandana. And it'll be good for, you know, just tying your hair back. And it's pink and white, kind of like strawberry pastries or, I don't know, treats. And the white macaron. So it's really pretty. Satin is very good for your hair. Doesn't cause knots or anything. So it's good to have like a satin pillowcase too. Here's a little plushie this week, or this, I keep saying something wrong. It's this season. This is vanilla plush, I think it's called. It says it on the card. So it's a little vanilla Pusheen holding the little strawberry cake. And then it comes with a compact mirror in the like chocolate treat theme. So this is what it looks like, the cover, and then you just spin it aside. I didn't take the covering off the glass yet, but I'm gonna definitely put that probably in my wristlet in my purse. And then the last thing is, oops, I almost dropped it, is this phone holder. So I did take this out before, to look at it, and it's really cute. I'll probably end up putting this, actually, I'll probably leave it here in my craft room. So it looks like this when you take it out, and then you just pop this open like that, and that's what the little picture is. And then you can adjust this. You can raise this up, or, you know, change the angle and just put your phone there or your tablet or whatever. And it's got like this kind of like a textured rubbery back to hold something there. So yeah, that was everything in the box this month. It was, this season. I think it's really cute. I can't wait for, well, the last one will be fall. And then I told my husband this would be a great idea for a Christmas gift for next year too. So that's all I have to share with you. I went out to dinner last weekend with my husband. I told you guys we were going out. We had gotten a gift certificate to a really nice restaurant in our area. So that was nice. We had a really good dinner and dessert and just wine. It was beautiful, beautiful night and everything. So it worked out really good. And this weekend, doing some stuff around the house. We've got you ever find things that go wrong in your house? Like one thing goes wrong and then a bunch of other things go wrong too. We built this house, it was about 20 years ago. It's going to be 21 this year. So, things are really breaking. We just had to replace our microwave. We had to replace we have this upflow toilet in our basement bathroom, and that had to be replaced, and just so much stuff. So, those kind of things. But otherwise, things are good, and my husband's doing great. Thank you guys for continuing to ask about him and your prayers. He's doing wonderful back at work and everything. So, knock on wood, things keep going well with that. And I hope you guys are doing good too. Tell me what you're up to this weekend. I hope your summer is going well. And I will be back soon. I've got a Scrap Diva Designs project share video coming out. That'll probably come out tomorrow on Saturday. I'm just finishing up a few things. I have some more summer projects. Then the August release will be released on August 2nd, but I'll have a preview video coming up pretty soon for that as well. All right, you guys, take care. I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend, and thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll be back soon. Take care. Bye-bye.